Test, test. Shit. Well, whatever I had next is broken now. So, step one, as you might have guessed, is going to be popping on a latex ball cap. You can get these from party shops and special effects shop. You can get them from fuck. You can get them fucking, you know what? Fuck. Oh god. No. Not even started yet. Oh, there's only a few. Oh. I feel oddly unsatisfied. So I'm very much aware that I drone on quite a little... Pardon me. Okie dokie, copious amounts of pokey. Wait, no. It's too hot. So the first step. I'm gonna just start talking like that throughout these tutorials. Okie dokie, so the first step is gonna... Oh, that was a nice sound. Okay, so next. Okay, I have a massive box. Just sitting there rubbing this guy. I have a massive box. Sexy. Oakley dokley, so once... Wait, oakley dokley. Hadley ho. Okie dokie, so we're going to get this big ball of effects makeup roll... No, wait, what? Then I can take my... Oh. Okie dokie, so once you've done that, jazz hands. Oh, that's me. Oh, pardon me. Oh, god damn it. I am such a man. Pardon me. I'm a gentleman. And also, if you've not ordered, from the before, there's also, and as an extra. And next we have a really massive box. Oh god, hello. Okay, so I've got, and there we go. I do love Safi. Test, test. Shit. Well, whatever I had next is broken now. Then I can apply some more of this. Then I can apply some more of the adhesive to the middle. Then I can... I'm holding up the spaceship rather than holding up the whole set because it's a lot easier to pick up, but you guys have seen the video. That way it'll just leave a really nice... That way it'll just leave a nice... Oh. Deary Bay, why? Oh, yeah. Then I can repeat the same process on the bottom part. Then I can repeat. For God's sake. Then I can repeat the same process on the bottom half of the. Hey guys, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays, and welcome to the next part of my South Park game series. The South Park fuckhole. What? So yeah, as I said, hello Cosmo, cause he's booty. But I just saw a big red sign that my level is below. Oh.
One option I see nearby is Flowers by Liz. Is that the one you're looking for?
Thanks, Siri. Hey guys! Pardon me, wow. That was an introduction.